Back to the channel. This is December Daily 2024. Today I am working on day 9. I've got a lot of videos done today. So this I think is video number 4 that I'm uploading. So I'm getting caught up. But basically this one is one of these weird little pages where it's like a 3x8 and then 2 3x4s. So I'll just put you on fast forward while I get embellishing. So this layout ended up coming together very quickly because I did my journaling off camera, of course, and I did it on my computer. Somebody is yawning, like right into the camera. Yeah, and I'm using just kind of an assortment of different things. Some green cardstock from my stash, some scraps that I turned into 3x4 cards, and then this piece of like parchment. Oh my goodness, are you okay? It's a big yawn. This piece of like parchment colored paper was something that I actually used a scrap of in my last video. The wood veneer star there, that looks kind of like it looked like a Christmas cookie to me. So that's why I used it. That was an Ali Edwards Stories by the Month kit that was not even Christmas related. And I still have a bunch of the little stars left. So you may end up seeing those somewhere too. I threw those in my kit this year. So, and then this little Tim Holtz 1x2 little card that says cheer. So I end up using a little bit of gold foil washi tape as well, just because this little side of the page looked a little blah to me. And when I was doing my typing, I ended up leaving gaps that I hadn't intended to. So it was just enough space to throw in a little skinny piece of washi, which you're going to watch me do right now. Yeah, altogether, I think this one was a 5.5-minute video. And some of you may be wondering, why, Penny, are you so far behind in your December daily if the videos are only taking you 5 to 10 minutes to film? And the reason is because I film on my phone and I do all my editing on my phone. So I need to film, edit, and upload each and every video. And I haven't had time to do that. We've just been so busy with all the lead up to Christmas and visiting and baking and exhausted that I haven't had time to get into my craft room. And so it looks like a bomb went off in there. But my desk is moderately clean. It's not tidy by any stretch, but there's a decent enough space for me to sit there and work. So once the season is over, I'll do a good clean and probably craft room reset, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just kind of fussing with some of these little stickers. This little vintage Santa sticker book has been very useful. I love this sticker book, and I think it's a Simple Stories. I'll have to go back and check, but they actually coordinate really well with the other sticker book that I have there. So I'm assuming it's Simple Stories, because you know how sometimes when you get things from the same company, they end up coordinating even though they're not from the same collection. Oh my goodness, the fussing going on right now. There's scratching and yawning, and he is right by my phone. So I apologize if you hear all these goings on, but the doggies are enjoying a very lazy day today, and so are we. We are getting a snowstorm today, so it's a good excuse to stay home, have some naps and some extra coffee, and get caught up on my crafting, which is exactly what we're doing. So this one is looking more or less done. I don't think I really add anything else to it except maybe one sticker. But yeah, I find these layouts are kind of weird because that 3x8 space is just an awkward space. I know some people do traveler's notebooks, but I don't know. I don't think I ever could. It's just such a weird format to work with. At least 6x8 is a little bit of a larger space, so you can really have a better play, but a 3x8 is very tricky. Let me know in the comments down below how you're doing your December daily if you're documenting your December. Back to you live in a moment. And day 9, all done. And I'm looking at the time on my camera and it's showing 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's pretty good. I think I may call it here today, folks, for my December daily. So as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.